Before diving into any workout, it's important to warm up. A proper warm-up increases your heart rate, improves blood circulation to your muscles, and reduces the risk of injury. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio like walking, jogging, cycling, or jumping jacks. Dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and hip rotations also help mobilize your joints and muscles, preparing them for the workout ahead. Now that you're warmed up, it's time to get into the workouts. Below are simple yet effective full-body exercises that focus on strength, stability, and mobility. Squats. Lower body strength and core activation. Muscles targeted, quads, hamstrings, glutes, core. Why it's great for beginners. Squats are a staple in full-body workouts because they engage multiple muscles, especially your lower body and core. They're simple to perform and can be done anywhere, making them perfect for beginners. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Engage your core, keep your chest up, and your back straight. Slowly lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as deep as you can go without compromising your form. Push through your heels to return to standing. Tips. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and avoid letting them cave inward. Start with bodyweight squats and progress to adding resistance like dumbbells or a barbell when you're ready. B. Push-ups. Upper body strength and stability. Muscles targeted. Chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Why it's great for beginners. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that builds upper body strength while engaging your core for stability. They also improve shoulder mobility and strengthen your arms. How to do it. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and feet together. Lower your body toward the ground by bending your elbows, keeping them at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Lower until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push through your palms to return to the starting position. Modification for beginners. If a full push-up is too challenging, start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups, hands on an elevated surface like a bench or step. C. Plank. Core strength and stability. Muscles targeted. Core, abs, obliques, shoulders, back. Why it's great for beginners. Planks are an excellent exercise to build core strength, stability, and endurance. The best part is that they require no equipment, and you can challenge yourself by holding the position for longer periods as you get stronger. How to do it. Start in a forearm plank position, with your elbows under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, glutes, and legs, making sure your back doesn't sag. Hold for as long as you can, aiming for 20 to 30 seconds when starting out. Modification for beginners. If the full plank is too difficult, start on your knees or perform a side plank for variety and additional core engagement. D. Lunges. Lower body strength and balance. Muscles targeted. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves. Why it's great for beginners. Lunges improve balance and target the legs and glutes, which are essential for functional strength and mobility. They can be performed with body weight or by holding light dumbbells to increase the challenge. How to do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips or by your sides. Step forward with your right leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should almost touch the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the left leg. Modification for beginners. If lunges feel too challenging, you can perform reverse lunges, stepping backward instead of forward, to reduce the impact on your knees. E. Dumbbell rows. Upper body strength and posture. Muscles targeted. Upper back, biceps, shoulders. Why it's great for beginners. Dumbbell rows are a great way to target your upper back and improve posture. They help counteract the effects of sitting at a desk all day, and they're simple enough for beginners to perform with light weights. How to do it. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing your torso. Bend forward at your hips, keeping your back straight and your knees slightly bent. Row the dumbbells up toward your chest, Squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Tip: start with light weights and focus on form. Keep your elbows close to your body and avoid rounding your back. Glute bridges. Glute and core. Activation muscles targeted. Glutes, hamstrings. Core. Why it's great for beginners. Glute bridges are a great way to target your posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. They are a gentle exercise that doesn't require much mobility, making them perfect for beginners. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for a second at the top, then lower your hips back to the floor. Modification for beginners. Start with bodyweight glute bridges, and as you progress, you can add a weight on your hips for extra resistance, creating your full-body workout routine. As a beginner, it's essential to start slow and gradually increase the intensity as your body adapts. Here's a sample full-body workout routine that targets all major muscle groups. Warm-up: 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio plus dynamic stretches. Squats: 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Push-ups: 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lunges: 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Plank: 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Hold dumbbell rows: 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, glute bridges. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Per side. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between sets and aim to complete the workout 2 to 3 times per week. Tips for success. Consistency is key. Aim to work out regularly, at least 2 to 3 times per week, to see progress. Start with proper form. Quality matters more than quantity, especially as a beginner. Focus on mastering the movement pattern before increasing weight or repetitions. Listen to your body. If something hurts or feels off, stop and reassess. It's important to avoid injury, especially when you're just starting out. Stay hydrated. Drinking water before, during, and after your workout helps maintain performance and aids recovery. Progress slowly. As you get stronger, you can increase the intensity by adding more repetitions, sets, or resistance.